Hello, in front of me I've got Honda Civic. In this video I'll show you the key functions. In the beginning, take a look at the key of your car. Of course, if you press lock or unlock button, you will close or open the car. Press this button to unlock only trunk. Press this button to use remote start. Make sure that the function is enabled in your car. In the end, press and hold this button to use alarm. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.